but right now I am doing further development of Echo, which is my startup. Get that out of the way. But you know my state. Oh. I don't think I have anything pop up here. What's going on? We're gonna launch financial business. $5:30. Leave here at 7:30, so I've got 2 hours. So this one is Echo Processor V2. This one. And then that's Batch Processor V2. Echo Processor. All right, and then here's Main Pi replacement as well. Okay. This is what I need. Welcome to the chat. I appreciate you being here. Say what's up, ask me anything, and I'm an open book. So my name is Kyle Vines, and I'm working on a new startup. This is the third business, and who cares? I am live because there was a person yesterday that said, hey, if you're coding again, go live. So here I am. And you can see what I'm doing here. This is, whoa, almost fell back in my chair. Holy shit. This is the web app I've built. I'm using Anthropic to help code, VS Code and Python, and then file, and this is what's going on here. I'm not your wife. Sorry about that. Hello, hello. Like and subscribe, or hit the little heart button, or make a comment and let me know what y'all want me to discuss. I can talk about AI, personal development, business development, divorce, kids, all kinds of stuff. I can talk about failure and overcoming it. All kinds of things. But right now I've got a working version 1 of my software that is being used to process sensitive data through artificial intelligence or language models locally, so that sensitive information doesn't go out into public. So right now V1 is working, and I've already processed a bunch of documents with it. I'm working on V2 now, and it should actually be up and running. So yeah, here we go. I've already got that. I've already got that. So now I'm gonna update 3 different files. So first is Echo Processor V2. That is this code here. All right. Then, ooh, I don't have Echo input in this infrastructure, do I? I don't think so. Now I'm gonna go with Batch Processor V2. Hello, hello. Batch Processor V2, where are you? Not the broken one. All right, Batch Processor V2 is here. Control All, nope. Copy, Batch Processor V2. Control All, paste, Control Save. What's up? Python. Python is what I know. My background is in engineering design, automation. So I'm familiar with Python. But tell me about Java because I really don't have much experience with it. All right, my main pie, there you go. If I would have just said that out loud, it would have answered the question for you. Here we go. I've already got my main pie v1 backed up, so I don't have any issue with doing this. And Cal Linux and Dark Web. All right, I'll check them out. Thank you. What are you building? What are you building? All right, so I've got that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm fairly positive I already did all this, but I'm gonna do it again just to make sure. Pip install. All right, we're good to go there. Verify file structure. I don't think I have, oh, in intelligence, I may have echo input. Let me double check that. Yes, my echo input is in intelligence. I was just making sure that I wasn't trying to pull something. And let me go ahead and close this web application because I'm gonna run my main pie now. Here, I'm not a hacker. I am an entrepreneur that through AI has access to be dangerous enough to break stuff. That is what I am. All right. So now I'm gonna run my web application. Pretty Brad. Should show smart processing active. Let me double check here. Batch processing, smart processing is actually false on here still, so that's not good. And I will go ahead and just paste the errors into Anthropic. In this particular chat thread, I've developed this portion of my code so I can do all this. Eagle, am I saying it? Eagle, oh yeah, there we go. So I'm just gonna have here, I'm gonna take a screenshot of your comments so that I can look it up later, because I honestly have no idea what you're talking about, but I probably should. Let's see here. I can see smart processing is disabled. Means the import issue with Echo Processor v2, troubleshoot. Let's go to here. Go ahead and stop my program from running and Echo Processor v2. Why is it not? So this is where interesting. This is the fun part. Ah, got it. Well, welcome to the chat, Bangladeshi dude. When I was in probably 4th grade, I did a school project and we had to pick a country to do the school project on. And I chose Bangladesh. So once upon a time, I knew more about your country than I do currently, but Here we go. Echo Processor V2 is there, it's just highlighted yellow. So let me do this. Copy. Okay. So folks, like, subscribe, check out my channel. If, Shaquille, if you're from Bangladesh and know anybody that does civil engineering design or anything like that, get them to check out my channel because I have a bunch of civil 3D stuff and actually find a lot of folks from South Asia that dig that content, just a FYI. Oh, I don't have pre-processing. Ah. File naming fucked me. Echo processing, V2, and echo pre-processing. Okay. Rename. Alright, control save. That actually fucking, oh, I thought it fixed everything. Integration pre-processing, still have that max issue. Alright, I'm gonna run my main Pi now and see if it works. But ow, it's working. Here, I'll show you. All right, so this is everything that's working now. So document intelligence, full content preservation, no truncation, system backing capabilities. Smart processing is still set to false. Don't like that. That's fine, I guess it'll work, but it's not gonna go as fast as I want it to. So, hang on, folks. Let's see if we can fix that. All right. Okay, fast API. There we go. Control copy. Let's see what we get here. I'm just using Llama 3 as my local agent or local language model, but I do have Fast API set up so that, all right, I gotta do some debugging, so that users can actually pick which language models. So Llama 3 will be completely air gapped so that it maintains data security, but then date time isn't working. But then they can pick a different model if they want to ask questions about their process data, up to them, but I'll have to let them know you are leaving a secure environment. And then they can choose the different language models. All right, let's debug. The file exists, but Python can't import from it. Let's find the exact error. Step 1, test import. All right, we're gonna close this first. go. That part doesn't matter anyways. I just want this part. All right, you're just watching me stare at my computer. I think I'm gonna call it for the stream, but I was here. Peace out. Hey, like, subscribe, check out all my other videos, and my other lives are more entertaining. Just an FYI, this was just a quick hop on since I'm coding, and then go. Peace.